Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome, and for those of you who are coming back, welcome. If you are not subscribed, join the fam. Okay, so I said like 2 days ago that I was going to be making the video yesterday. I am so sorry. I got really busy with work and everything. So I am here going to be making the video today on how to get everything posted on different websites, and everything that you get is going to be full profit. What do I mean by that? If you stay till the end of the video and everything, I suggest you do stay till the end of the video, because I will be mentioning different websites and places where you can ideas and everything on how you could get everything and post it and make 100% profit. Okay, I'm sorry about that. My battery died, so it did shut down as I was still talking. I didn't see exactly where it got cut off, but as I was saying, I do go on different websites, and I go in and what I do is that I post, basically, you know how like people like to go to Savers, like to go to different stores and just go and donate stuff. Okay, well, there's a lot of people who don't have cars. This is one of my biggest secrets, and I'm giving it to you guys. Okay, so this is how I get a lot of stuff, and this is how I make 100% profit off of what I sell on different websites. I do post it on different websites, so whenever it sells on one website, then I have to go into the other websites and I put there that this item is no longer available. But if you do post on different websites, you do have a bigger chance of getting it sold faster, instead of just, you know, only posting it on eBay or only posting it on Craigslist or only posting it on Backpage, or I think that's one of the ones that didn't pop up. Okay, I don't know if in your area you would have Backpage, but there are different places where you can. Every state has like different websites. I know that in our state right now, I also know that they had Backpage in Las Vegas when I used to live there. So the big ones that I am on right now is OfferUp, Letgo, eBay, and oh yeah, also the newspapers. Okay, so if you go into the newspapers, if you go into there's this one that they have city pages. I know that each city or state has them and everything, where it's like it's a free newspaper that has like a little bit of everything. So, and then also the newspapers, if you go to like the where they do the I'm so sorry, I'm kind of tired, where they do the garage sales. Okay, so basically after the garage sales are done, you can contact these people, or you can go by and tell them, you know, just like, hey, is there anything that you were not able to sell that I could come pick it up, or, you know, just basically drive by and just, you know, pick it up. So what I do, one of my biggest secrets that I actually do when I post to get stuff, basically the way I get my stuff to be able to post and make 100% profit, is I do post on these websites, but I don't only post selling. I post asking for stuff. Basically, not really asking, it's more like doing them a favor. Basically, there's a lot of people who don't want to throw their stuff away, but then again, it's like they don't want to gather it all up, pile it up into their car, go all the way to the, you know, place where they're going to go donate it, depending on what place they're going to go. Here in Minnesota, it's more like Savers, and there's different places where you can go donate, like Salvation Army and everything. So if you don't want to go a lot of people don't want to go all the way over there, you know, they just don't want the hassle. So a lot of people just throw it away. So if it's going to go thrown away anyways, might as well go and get it, right? And then you post it, and you don't tell them what you're going to do with their items. You just tell them, it's like, hey, I'm looking for donations and everything. If you have anything that you want to donate, I will pick up. Okay, that is one of the main things. You just go around, you tell people on different websites, well, not specific people, I'm sorry. You just put a posting up, and you're telling them that you are going to come and pick up their stuff. They could set up a time. You put a phone number too where they can contact you. You put a time, and then basically you put a time. Okay, when you put your phone number, they will call you if they have something, you know, that they want you to come pick up. So I can tell you, you are going to be getting calls. Why? Because a lot of people don't like the hassle of going to these places and donating and just all that whole, you know, just gathering everything, taking it and dropping it off. It is a huge hassle. Okay, so let's get back to it. So what you're gonna do when you post, you're gonna post there, hey, looking for donations. If you have stuff you're gonna get, you know, you want to get rid of, I can come pick up for you. Then you put your phone number and they will contact you, and they will, you know, you just tell them, it's like, okay, well, just put it at the side of your driveway, or I could call you as soon as I'm outside, you know, to pick it up. So you set up a time with them, you get their address, you go, you pick it up. It's as easy as that. And then you have a bunch of free stuff that you can actually go through. I suggest you don't throw it away, because, you know, if it's going to be donated anyways, just go through what you want, take what you're going to post, and then take the rest. Don't throw it. Take that and go donate it, you know, be a good citizen. Okay, that's what I do. So it's just, you know, on top that I'm getting everything for free, I don't want to be mean. I don't want to, like, I don't know. It's just me and my heart and my soul. I can't just throw it. So I don't like really like throwing and like wasting stuff. So what I do is I do grab the stuff that I'm not going to post. I take that, put it up in bags, take it all the way to Savers. That's one of the places that I donate, Savers and Salvation Army. Okay, so now to the next step. After you are done doing those posts and you go get your stuff, start posting. Choose what you want and everything like that. Take good pictures. Make sure the lighting is good. Make sure that the pictures are pretty detailed. Make sure that you take several pictures, because if you don't take several pictures, you can't really expect to make money off of that, because you kind of have to think about how, if you were shopping, okay, how do you like to shop? Like when you see a picture, if you see it dark and you see it like you can't really see the details, and also make sure that your postings are also detailed, like take measurements if you can. It's best if you take measurements, because a lot of people, that's what they look for, or they're going to message you and be all like, hey, I'm really interested, you know, what are the measurements? So a lot of the times just giving them a size isn't really, like the size that's on the tag isn't really enough information for them. They actually want the sizes, they want measurements and everything, because some let's say pants, okay, some people are taller than other people. A lot of the times, just because a pair of pants is the size, let's say size 10, let's go 9-10, okay, the person could be short, and then the person that owned those pants before, or the brand or the style and everything, doesn't really say, hey, these are short, these are tall. Some of them, it just has the number on the tag, and that's not very detailed. Maybe the person that wants to buy it is short, and the person that used to own these pants is tall, you know, so the pants are for tall people, and that's just something that you don't want to get returns. Okay, so when you post, basically, that's how you get 100% profit on everything that you sell, by getting stuff for free. And how do you get stuff for free? You post asking, and then you could also go through your stuff. You could ask your parents, ask your friends, ask your siblings, ask your neighbors, ask everyone. Why? Because if you want to make it a full-time job and everything, not even really a job, it's work from home, you can work as many hours as you want, the days that you want and everything, and still make a profit. You have to make sure that you put the work in for you to be able to make the sales, because you can't just go and just take simple pictures and do this and do that and expect to sell. So if you really do want to do the sales and make a living off eBay, which you can, as also I also watched Gary Vaynerchuk where he did that flip challenge, that actually works. But one of the things that he did that I noticed is that he goes around buying stuff. See, now my secret is that I don't go around buying stuff. What I do is that I try to get everything for free. Therefore, everything and anything you sell is 100% profit. Even if you sell it on eBay and you gotta ship it with, oh yeah, also you have to do the correct amount. Don't go and sell it for a very small amount and do free shipping, because guess what? You got to pay the shipping, and you have to make sure that you do make a profit. So no matter how free you get it, you still want to make a profit off of each and every single item that you sell. So that being said, you have to do the math correctly, and make sure that you make a profit off of everything. Also, don't get too greedy, because remember, you did get it for free, and anything and everything, it will add up, trust me. Sometimes you might think like $5. Oh, that's not enough profit. Guess what? You're getting a lot of items for free. So put all those five, you know, little by little, just keep posting, keep putting up ads. Hey, you know, I will come pick up. Hey, you could drop it off here, you know, I'm taking donations. You know, sometimes people just don't want to like drive all the way to a place and donate. Sometimes they just prefer going to like a closer place, or if somebody comes picks it up for them, that's a plus for them. They get to save the gas money. So yeah, basically that is my biggest secret on how I make 100% profit on every single item, because anything I sell, I got it for free. I spend $0 on it, and guess what? Even if I make a penny, 2 pennies, $5, $10, $15, and you will, oh my god, okay, there are people that do donate electronics. Okay, this is a couple of things that I have gotten. Electronics, I get brand name clothes, brand name shoes, brand name, a lot of stuff. A lot of these people, sometimes it's like they don't want it no more because they already used it, they just like outgrew it or whatever. A lot of these things that they do donate are actually very like in good condition. I'm not saying everything. There are going to be those, you know, items where it's like, okay, they're donating it because it's like no longer useful. But still, in between all that, you are going to find really good stuff. Believe me, trust me, I know, because I do it. So that being said, good luck. I hope you guys get out there and do take the secrets that I gave you guys. Like I was saying, I hope you guys use all the secrets that I gave you guys and use them to the best that you can. Go out there, make your money. Yes, like I said, go out there, make your money. You do not have to be a certain age in order to use these. So if you are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 45, 55, 65, you can do it. Okay? Do not get demotivated. Don't. Why? Because there are tons of things out there for sale that were given to people for free. Okay, so you go out there, you make your money, it's clean money. Guess what? You can make as little or as much as you want. Hopefully, everything that I told you guys, you will use it to the max, and get out there, make your money, go out there, be motivated, go out there, help other people. Yeah, let's help each other out, and yeah, go out there and make your money. So you guys, good luck.